We also have the 70 call, but at this point, the 70 call is going to be worthless. Brandon, if you did, I don't know if you did a call or a put. If you did a call, there's nothing to do on the call side. I mean, there is. It's got some value. You can sit with it or try and get out of it. All right, guys. Let's, again, I would love to get out of our AMAT position here. No, if you did the call butterfly, that was a bullish butterfly, Brandon. Look at AMAT, okay? I'd love to get out of this, but where are we going to get out of this? In fact, you know what? Why not put an offer out there? Maybe we get filled. Maybe we get filled. This would be a massive, massive winner here, guys. Okay, I already have this set up in my exits here, so let me just put in here. Yeah, I don't know where we get filled. I'm going to put in $1.25 or more.